Hello and welcome back to Benefits Unlocked. Today's topic is the science of power naps, how to recharge fast and why a short midday nap might just be one of the smartest things you do. We're going to dive into what a power nap is, why it works, how to do it the right way, and why it matters for you. But first, let's get real. You already know that the end of the day comes with fatigue. Meetings, kids, aging parents, maybe 2 or 3 hours of me time that feel more like almost me time. So the idea of stopping to nap might feel risky, like you're giving up ground. But what if instead of giving up, you were recharging? So what is a power nap? Simply put, it's a short daytime sleep, typically about 10 to 30 minutes, taken in the early afternoon with the aim of boosting alertness and performance without slipping into deep sleep and waking up groggy. When done right, a power nap is like a quick reset for your brain and body. Why does it work? To understand that, we need a little science. Over the course of the day, your brain accumulates sleep pressure. Chemicals like adenosine build up, making you feel tired and less sharp. A short nap gives your brain a chance to clear some of that, boost alertness, improve reaction time, and sharpen your memory. Research shows that naps in that 10 to 30 minute range make people feel more awake and perform better. One study found that afternoon, naps improved cognitive performance, especially for tasks requiring attention and reaction time. Another found that people who napped had better word recall and cognitive function than those who did not. But there's a catch. Duration and timing matter. Nap too long and you risk waking from a deep sleep stage, which can leave you feeling groggy, disoriented, and actually worse off. That's why the sweet spot is short and early. Many sources recommend napping between about 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. A nap any later might interfere with your ability to fall asleep that night. And a nap longer than about 30 minutes starts to slide into deeper sleep, and the benefits become less clear, or might even turn negative. In one large study from Spain, adults who napped for 30 minutes or less were less likely to have elevated blood pressure, while those who napped longer had a higher risk of metabolic issues. So how do you do a power nap the right way? Here's a practical step-by-step. First, pick your window. Early afternoon, after the post-lunch slump, before about 3 p.m. Second, set a timer or alarm for 20-30 minutes, or even shorter if you prefer. Third, create the right environment. Quiet, dark or dim room, comfortable position, remove distractions or interruptions. Fourth, don't rely on the nap to fix the fact that you're staying up too late or skimping on your core nighttime sleep. It should be a bonus, not a crutch. Fifth, after you wake, give yourself a couple of minutes to orient yourself before jumping back into heavy work, especially if you feel a bit foggy at first. You might wonder, does this apply to me with my busy schedule and responsibilities? Absolutely. For someone who is managing work, a household, kids, and maybe even aging parents, that mid-afternoon reset can help you be sharper for the second half of the day, both professionally and personally. Or for someone with a business to run, deadlines, family commitments, and the physical demands of midlife, the power nap becomes a strategic tool to avoid burnout, maintain focus, and protect mood and health. And from a wellness perspective, keeping your heart healthy, your brain sharp, and your mood stable, these aren't luxury items. They're fundamentals for thriving as a person, not just surviving. One more note on health. Short naps may even offer cardiovascular benefits. Studies suggest that regular brief naps, under 30 minutes, were associated with a lower risk of elevated blood pressure compared to non-nappers. But again, this doesn't mean long naps are necessarily better. In fact, longer naps may correlate with other health issues. So to recap, a power nap is not laziness. It's strategy. It's a 20-minute investment in yourself midday to boost your mind, improve your energy, better your mood, and set you up for the rest of your day. Instead of slugging through that afternoon slump, you can recharge smartly. This video provides general information only and does not substitute for medical advice. If you have persistent daytime sleepiness, insomnia, or other sleep issues, please consult your healthcare professional. Thanks for watching Benefits Unlocked. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.